Innovation is a smooth procedure. It needs the right environment in place so the individuals are encouraged and empowered to have ideas and drive extents forward. It is additionally critical that the correct tools are set up so that innovation can be caught, and choices made with reference to what resources ought to be designated and where, regardless of whether this be for routine innovation, or more risky and long-haul innovation in new technology. One of the biggest challenges faced by innovators is to find the right investors, venture capitalists, and banks which can be depended on for the funding required for research and development of the project. Another significant factor that affects rise and fall of the project is a perfect marketplace for the end product or service. We have worked hard to keep the wheels of progress turning, helping create a world of equal prosperity. Furthermore, we have continued settling things, and mindsets are bursting through cracks in the traditional capital-raising landscape taking root, in an instant growing faster, and over everything else. This is just the beginning of a platform that could provide solutions to challenges that innovators encounter. We have created the best-in-class incubation platform to innovate and collaborate on intellectual property, Kakushin Ecosystem, a blockchain-based platform, where innovators will meet the investors, who will invest in the research and development of emerging innovations. The innovators having the unique idea searching for platform bring their concept on Kakushin's platform, so also the investors searching for an inventive and unique idea to put resources into may bolster the most astonishing innovation fiscally through Kakushin Ecosystem. Kakushin is also the only incubation platform where creators gain admittance to new gatherings of people and sources of subsidizing and assistance from various types of advisors, while likewise fundamentally bringing down their overhead. Backers out of the blue receive an opportunity to get esteem value as a byproduct of their installments, and gain admittance to a more extensive scope of undertakings. Advisors, mediators, originators, interpreters and different masters from everywhere throughout the world receive the chance to get an incentive as a byproduct of their commitment. But how Kakushin is different from any other incubation platform? While most incubation platforms became all about big companies, with strong marketing, high fees, and geographical limitation, lack of global currency, and unavailability of an authentic and reliable marketplace for product or service. Whereas Kakushin Ecosystem is based on blockchain technology, which allows global crowd investing campaigns, allows every innovator to create their own unique campaign. Unlike other platforms, Kakushin Ecosystem relatively charges a very low fees. Kakushin is a well-organized, well-maintained and authentic online store to sell, lease, and purchase innovative and eco-friendly intellectual properties and products using KKN. Don't miss the gutsy ride. Join our private pre-sale from 15 March. Discover new ways to make that elusive breakthrough innovations of tomorrow where everyone thrives.